Well, hello, good afternoon everyone. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, to Alan channel. Today I'm going to make carrot and tomato juice. So here in front of me I already prepared 2 big carrots and also 3 tomatoes, and lime juice here already I cut in half. 6 milliliters of water, 6 tablespoons of sugar. So in the first step, I peel the carrot. Make sure on the out skin is peeled out already, so it's clean. And later on, the taste of the carrot will be originally fresh, not with the skin. Done with the carrot. Afterward, I'm gonna cut the carrot in a small tiny pieces, so it's easy when we put in the blender. And then I continue to the second carrot. And then I transfer to the blender. The next step, I cut the tomato. And I wash already. The tomato is clean, and then we cut in a quarter. Done, and then I put all transport to the blender. Here you go, I put on the blender already. The next step, I just put the sugar. It's a 5 tablespoons of sugar or 6 tablespoons of sugar. And then I put in the water, 600 milliliters of water. If you guys like with the ice cube in it, you can do it. It's optional. And then I gonna blend this to the machine blender. And I start the machine blender. Well, after 2 to 3 minutes, I turn off the blender. After finish, I blend the carrot and tomato, and then I need the drainer. I just put the juices over here to take away the top of the carrot and tomato, and I drain it like this. There you go, the juice is finished, and then I transfer to the serving glass. Well, there you go, the tomato, carrot, juice is ready to be served and ready. How to serve? You just pour it in the glass over here. And then we squeeze the lime juice over here, just a cut and a quarter, and then squeeze it. And the other one. And afterward, I gonna stir it, so the taste of the juice is kind of more fresh. Alright, that's all finished. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.